Students, now you are going to learn about factorization. Factorization is the reverse of multiplication. So the reverse of multiplication means for it is suppose for example multiply 3 and 5, we get the product as 15. Factorize 15, we get the factors 3 and 5. This is the reverse. So that is the you have suppose we are making multiple 3 and 5, we get 15. We want to find the factorize of 15, we get the factors 3 and 5. So the same way we have two important ways of factorization, or that is taking common factor by grouping them. For common factor, for example, we have the two terms, that is AB plus AC. For it is written as A into B, it is written as A into C. Now you have to consider these two terms which is common. A is common. For here first term also have A, second term also A, having A. So the A take outside. So that is A is common. So which is remaining here? B. What do you have here? Plus. What is remaining here? C. So it is a factorized form. So now again you check A into B. You get this. A into C. You get this. It is a common factor method. Grouping method. For now you have a four terms. A plus B minus PA minus PB. So now first you have to find the group. For same group you have to find like terms. That is, for like terms in the sense you have to make a group here. Same variable is there, that is called a like factor. For A, here PA is there. So you have to make group these two. B is here, here also B is there. So you have to make these two as group. So that is, for you have to write it nearly. So that is A minus PA plus B minus PB. So you have to take outside A, you have to take outside, that is A into 1 minus P. Now P you have to take outside, that is 1 minus P. So now you have to consider these two which is common. 1 minus P is common. So which is remaining A plus B. For these are factorized form. Now example 3.24, it is very important problem, important 2 mark question. That is AM plus BM plus CM. So you have to use, first you have to find which method is suitable. That is a common factor method is suitable or that grouping method is suitable. So now you have to check, for it is common factor method is suitable. So M is common for these three terms. So M you have to take outside, that is which is remaining A, for here B, here C. So this is the factorized form. The second problem, A cube minus A square B. So A cube minus A square B. So it is written as A square into A square into B. It is a, for grouping method is easy for this problem. So A square you have, for it is into, this dot mentioned as a product, A square into A square into B. So now you have to check in these two terms, A square is common. So you have to take outside, that is A. Middle what sign you have? Minus A minus B. It is the factorized form. Now third problem, 5A minus 10B minus 4BC. Third problem, 5A minus 10B minus 4BC plus 2AC. Fourth problem, x plus y minus 1 minus xy. The third problem, first you write the given question. Then you have to compare these two. 5 is common. 5 you take outside, that is A minus 2B. So that is, this 10 is written as 5 into 2. For this is written as 5 into 2. So now you have to consider C common, then 2 also common. 2C taken outside, that is 2 into 2. So that is minus 2B plus A. Now 5 into A minus 2B, you have to make inside the group, make the same terms. So that is minus taken outside from this group. So that is minus into minus plus 2C into A minus 2B. Suppose you are taking minus, just you change the middle sign, change and write. These two terms you change and write A minus 2B. That's all. Minus taken outside from the group means just you rearrange these two terms. That is 2B plus A is written as A minus 2B. That's all. Outside you have to take it as a plus. So now A minus 2B is common. A minus 2B into 5 plus 2C. The fourth problem, x plus y minus 1 minus xy. So rearrange this, that is x minus 1 plus y minus xy. So you have to make these two as a group x minus 1. You have to take minus y is common. So x minus 1. For what you have in the group, same take and write. So now x minus 1 is common, take outside. So here what you have remaining 1, 1 minus y. This is the factorized form. Now exercise 3.5. First problem, factorize the following expression. First one is a common factor method. For we have to find the common factor, that is 2a square plus 4a square b plus 8a square c, ab minus ac minus mp plus mc. First problem, first you write the question, 2a square plus 4a square b plus 8a square c. This 4 is written as 2 into 2, 8 is written as 2 into 4. So now 2a square is common. A square is common for these three terms. So 2a square into 1 plus 2b plus 4c. That is 1, 2 is taken outside. Here 2 is taken outside. Remaining 4 into c. It is the factorized form. The second question, grouping method. So that is you have to make AB minus MP as a group. Then AC and MC as a group. So otherwise you have to write one more step. AB minus MP minus AC plus MC. Then you have to make a group. These two as group, these two as group. B into A minus M. For minus C taken outside, that is A minus M. So A minus M is common, that is A minus M into B minus C. It is the factorized form.